Hello everyone, Dana here. Welcome back to day 57 of my 90-day challenge. Being a working parent, a constant juggling, right? We all feel like we are running a million miles a minute. Do you? I totally do sometimes. Today I'm sharing some productivity hacks that will help you feel maybe a little more in control of the chaos that is your everyday. My number one tip: plan the night before. Planning is the key. The night before, take a few minutes, write your schedule for the next day. Put the appointments, the tasks, and even the meal ideas, the meal preps. Don't forget to put the clothes for yourself or your little ones if you have, if they still allow you to dress them up. This way in the morning, the craziness will be just a little bit smoother. Tip 2, embrace the batching. Multitasking, forget about it. Batch similar tasks and that will be a lifesaver. Put aside some dedicated time for emails or for calls. Just couple them all on once. That will minimize that context switching and will help you stay focused. Tip number 3, the power hour. If you've never heard of the power hour, let me tell you, it's a game changer. Pick the most important task for the day, set a timer for 60 minutes and dive into that hard task. Eliminate all the distraction, be focused, and you see that you can accomplish a lot in that dedicated time. The fourth tip, micro moments. Every minute counts, so use those micro moments throughout the day for quick tasks. Catch up on the email during maybe commute, or making a call where you wait to pick up the kids, or squeeze some me time during your child nap time. And the fifth and last but not least tip from me is set realistic expectation. I think it's super important to not try to be perfect. Focus on progress, not on perfection. There will be bumps on the road. It's okay. Keep moving forward. Remember, celebrate those wins, big and small. These tips help me on my daily routine, so I really hope you can use some of this. And share what are your favorite productivity hacks for us, the working parents. Leave your best tips in the comments below. Let's help each other and conquer this challenge together. Thanks for joining me today, and see you tomorrow for day 58 of my 90-day challenge.